talk about how can you change your name on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here in your or you just click here on complete your profile here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here can you change your first name and here your last name. So then it's going to change with you here automatically here your first name and last name here. That's all you have to do to change it here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.